As a massive $75 billion trade volume floods in, what will the price of Bitcoin be? Are whales buying? With Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the charge, the global cryptocurrency market has managed to break its recent losing run and make some progress. Early on Friday morning, Bitcoin, the oldest and most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, surpassed the $25,000 milestone, while Ethereum attracted offers above the $1,700 mark. Dogecoin, Ripple, Litecoin, and Solana, some other well-known altcoins, also made it into the green. The price of Bitcoin has grown by more than 5% over the past day and is now trading above $25,600. The overall market cap of cryptocurrencies has risen past $1 trillion thanks to this boom and the addition of more cryptocurrencies, which gives investors more assurance. Despite this, some analysts are pessimistic and think that this can be a bull trap propelled by optimistic emotion, especially given the continued low trade volumes. Customers are turning to digital assets as a result of recent market liquidity difficulties caused by the failure of SVB and Silvergate banks. Downloads of cryptocurrency apps have risen by 15%, according to Apptopia, after the fall of major bank stocks. Investors' desire to diversify their holdings and lower risk has raised awareness of the need to introduce a cryptocurrency to fix the flaws in the current financial system. It is anticipated that Ethereum, which is presently the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, will achieve its all-time high of $2,000 in the near future. The use of Ethereum's blockchain technology in decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens is primarily to blame for the present increase in the price of ETH, NFTs. In addition, it is projected that the impending Ethereum Improvement Proposal, EIP, 1559 update, scheduled for July 2021, will restrict the currency's supply and may result in a supply crisis, which might push its price even higher. Credit Suisse is saved by the Swiss National Bank, but uncertainty still exists. Credit Suisse, a failing investment bank, receives a $50 billion loan from the Swiss National Bank. The catastrophic situation of a European banking catastrophe looks to have been temporarily avoided thanks to the move. Nonetheless, uncertainty still exists as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic and ongoing geopolitical tensions. As a result, the $50 billion loan from the Swiss National Bank to Credit Suisse had no effect on the price of Bitcoin, BTC. Bullish run in cryptocurrency market as Bitcoin maintains control. Bitcoin and Ethereum are now leading the way as the value of cryptocurrencies rises. Investors are nonetheless upbeat about cryptocurrencies' potential to upend established banking systems. It is clear that investors are becoming more interested in cryptocurrencies and their potential as the market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies exceeds $1 trillion. Given the market's worries about liquidity and future interest rate cuts, it will be interesting to see how the cryptocurrency market performs in the upcoming months. It's vital to keep in mind that the US may lower interest rates in the second half of the year to safeguard banks. This could lead to the formation of new long-term positions by investors and an increase in capital inflows into riskier assets. US dollar is weaker, supporting Bitcoin. The values of Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum have been significantly impacted by the recent decrease in the US dollar, ETH. This fall occurred as the government and banks moved to reduce the strain on the financial system brought on by the failure of two medium-sized banks. Because of this, the majority of significant currencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, have recovered and are currently trading above $25,000 and $1,700, respectively. As investors look for alternate assets in the face of a declining dollar, this bullish trend is anticipated to endure. It is also anticipated that the market's movements will be significantly influenced by the impending Federal Reserve monetary policy meeting. Some investors anticipate that the Fed will be more conservative in its rate increases, which may help to reduce the strain on the banking system and increase interest in cryptocurrencies. In general, the US dollar's decline has been a major driver in raising the prices of Bitcoin and Ether. Cryptocurrencies are a popular choice among investors as the world looks for new investment opportunities, and this trend is anticipated to continue as the financial system continues to encounter difficulties. Bitcoin cost. Since breaching below the support levels of $25,000 and $25,500, the price of Bitcoin has significantly dropped and has been on a short-term bearish trend after a brief consolidation at that price. A fresh uptrend above $26,000, with a key resistance mark around the $26,500 area, could begin if the price can close above $25,200. A possible ascent to $27,500 might be opened up by passing past the $26,000 mark. If Bitcoin is unable to overcome the $25,200 resistance level, it can see another fall. The short-term support is currently coming from the $24,000 level, with additional and stronger support coming from the $23,500 region and the 100-hourly simple moving average not far behind. Selling pressure will probably rise if the price falls below $22,600, though, and if losses persist, the price may fall below $22,000. Ethereum cost. Ethereum's price began to sharply increase once it passed the $1,600 threshold. But, it needed to pass through the critical $1,700 barrier zone in order to achieve a positive zone akin to Bitcoin. The price eventually crossed the $1,745 threshold and was moving in the direction of $1,800. Before retracing in the opposite direction, the price peaked near $1,784. A further decline in the price of Ethereum is possible if it is unable to pass through the $1,745 mark. The trend line and the $1,695 price level are anticipated to act as first market support in the immediate run.